common purpose course. She's going to make an announcement about that.
She's going to have to now.
She's going to.
Yeah, have you been on a common purpose course?
No.
I'll be your facilitator. My co-facilitator is Julie, and if we get to a point where we're going to have people who want to make a point, you have to get on the stack through Julie. Please don't come and ask me.
We just had an agreement.
We call for a positive, sustainable economic system
Why is it all about climate change?
that benefits the present and future generations.
Are you trying to control me as well?
We stand in solidarity
Back up and leave us alone.
with the global oppressed, and we call for an end to the actions of our government and others in causing this oppression. This is what democracy looks like. Come and join us.
Well, I don't know about you lot, but I think that's a little bit too long. It needs to be shortened by about half. Now, most of you don't know me. My name is Malcolm Blackman. I do not hide my visibility, but I am anonymous. Now, let me tell you a few things tonight that you need to know. First of all, do not freak. You come near me, I'll drop you. Get away from me. I'm talking. Now listen, first thing you need to know is you do not have to worry. Not tonight. Oh, look at. I'm the people, the same as you see that? There's a hierarchy that doesn't want the people to speak. Well, I'm the people, the same as you're the people. Right, I want my 2 minutes. Yes. Well said! Head straight! Head straight! You're not occupiers, you're climate camp! Yeah! And climate policy!
We are all individuals. Yeah, we're here under our own authority. You're welcome to ask me anything. I'm not required to respond though.
Towards authentic global equality. World resources must go towards caring for people.
It's a common purpose course. She's going to make an announcement about that.
She's going to have to now.
Free legislative